Hey guys, I'm Paris, the options guy. Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today was a day of hiccups. I made a lot of mistakes. I wasn't in the right state of mind in which I should have been while trading. So yeah, made a few mistakes which cost me profits, good profits, but nonetheless ending the day with 0.4% profit. Um, and take I took 6 trades in total, I know, and a lot of them were very not that great trades, I would say, because again I was taking kind of very impulsive decisions. Now I'm going to tell you how exactly I took the trades. So the first trade that I took, I'm sorry, the first trade that I took in was in Nifty. Once Nifty, once the pullback got over in Nifty, I shorted I shorted calls in Nifty till over here. Then my trailing stop loss got hit at 16,471, and it was a good thing because then Nifty reversed greatly from there. And then once Nifty crossed 16,5, this 510, 515 level, I shorted puts, right, till 16,540. So I got profits from both those trades, good profits. Then the next trade that I took was in Bank Nifty. When Bank Nifty broke this swing of 36,580. Now the problem over here was that I exited at the wrong point. When this down move happened, I was like, okay, uh, I think this is a fake breakout. This is a false breakout, and now Bank Nifty is gonna reverse. But what I should have done is I should have kept my stop loss somewhere near 36,550, but I trailed it very aggressively to 36,580, which was my mistake, and that's why I exited at the wrong point. But my target then got hit till 36,780. If I would have held it, I could have ended the day with easily 500 plus rupees of profit. But then I took a re-entry once we got over here, and then exited somewhere up over there near 636 720. And while that was happening, I also took a trade in Nifty when Nifty crossed 16,580 levels, and then I exited somewhere here because I was feeling like, okay, the momentum is not coming fast. So I think it's a better that I just book my profits. Anyways, I'm not in a great state to trade, so let's just book our profits. Let's just go home. We'll come back tomorrow. So yeah, those were all my trades, and yeah, ending the day with 0.4% profits. I'm fine with it. A little bit disappointed with myself, but no worries. So what for tomorrow? How is the expiry gonna go? So see, the thing is, we were going down and down and down. We were making lower highs, right? But today things changed. Today we just broke the previous swing, and then we started moving up. Same with Bank Nifty and same with Nifty. We broke both the swings and then we started moving up. So that means there is a trend reversal right now happening, which is very great. We weren't able to break the previous day's high for 3 continuous days, but today we broke the previous day's high in Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. So that means that this is a sign of a trend change again, and now we could again see 16,750 to 16,800 levels in Nifty in the coming days, maybe tomorrow itself. If we see S&P 500, it's moving up and up and up, so we are expected to open with a good gap up. So maybe tomorrow we'll just see 16,800 in Nifty and 37,000 in Bank Nifty easily, right? But what trades can we take over here? So say if we open flat, once we cross 36,900, you guys can take a trade. So if you open flat and you get a entry somewhere near 36,800, you can take a trade over here. And carry it till 36,900. This could give you good profits, good 100 points profit. And since it's going to be the start, the move could very well come very fast. Okay, but say we open with a small gap up somewhere near 36,860 or near these levels. So wait for 36,900 to be broken. Once 36,900 is broken, your next target should be 37,000. Okay, that's for the upside. What about the downside? So for the downside, once we break 36,670 levels, 36,670, near 36,670 level, you guys can initiate a trade till 36,570, which was this low, because if we've broken out from here, now we'll take a support over there. So that's for the downside. Say if you open with a big gap up, so many at 36,600. Okay, if you open with a big gap up such as that, let Bank Nifty go below 36,580. Once we go below 36,580, you guys can initiate a trade till 36,480. Say if you open with a very big gap up, somewhere near 36,958, let the price action tell you what is going to happen. I feel like if you open over here, there could be a little bit of volatility in Bank Nifty. So stay cautious and wait for your time to come. Wait for 37,000 to be sustained. Once 37,000 is sustained, you guys can take a trade till 37,130. And this is where there is a gap. So that's why you guys should exit over here. As for Nifty, what can we see in Nifty? I think Nifty seems also at a good point over here. If you open flat, I wouldn't recommend you guys to take any trades because anyways we have a resistance here 16,680. So what I would say is that if you open flat, let Nifty cross 16,680. Once we cross 16,680, you guys can initiate a trade till 16,740, 750 levels. That's if you open flat. But if you open with a gap down, let Nifty don't I would not take a trade in Nifty, and I would recommend you guys to not take a trade in Nifty. Even if we cross 750, we have a resistance of 16,800 on the upside. So like there is not much target. I mean, what you would get like 40-45 points of target in Nifty, right? So I don't think the risk reward will be very great. So that's why if you open with some sort of gap up, say if you open near 16,670, 680, right? And while Nifty say shoots up at the start itself, if there is some sort of pullback near over here and you get an entry, and if you can get an entry, then I would recommend you guys to take an entry till and hold it till 16,750. For the downside, once we cross 16,570 general level, the general level 16,570 to 580. Once we cross that, you guys can initiate a trade till 16,510. That's because 16,500 is again 16,500 again is a round number, so Nifty will definitely take some sort of support over there. So once we cross 16,580, you guys can initiate a trade till 16,510. So that's for Nifty. If we open with a huge gap down, not huge, but if we open with a good gap down, say near 16,550, 560, let Nifty cross 16,550 and then initiate a trade. Then I feel like we'll have a very good momentum till today's low of 16,440. I will stay cautious even if you open with a gap down. Stay very cautious because there might be buying again coming in Nifty afterwards. Okay, so that's something. And if you even open with a gap down, I don't think I'll trade as much. I'll wait for 16,500 to be broken and then take a trade near 16,440 because we even have 200 moving average in 15-minute time frame over there. So 16,500 is going to be very crucial. So if we open with a gap down, I think I'm gonna skip trading for the downside. Well, let's see how things go. And whatever trades I take, I give those updates on my Telegram channel. So I would again recommend you guys to just join my Telegram channel so you guys can get all of my updates about how I trade, where I trade, exactly what trades I took, which calls I shorted and which puts I shorted, whatever. You guys get the point. So yeah, guys, that was it for tomorrow. I hope you have a great trading expiry tomorrow, and see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching till the end.